Well, the storm is inbound, but it looks like a beautiful day to me. So I thought I'd come down and get some jobs done today. So first of all, these are strawberries that I got from these strawberries last year. I'm going to put them in a strawberry bed, so it's a new set of fresh plants. I've brought my loo rolls down. Charming. I brought them down to just get ready in a tray for planting the peas. It's nice and quiet like on site, so I'm just going to give you a quick look around. So this is how things are looking at the moment. Now, as I mentioned, it might have been hard to understand what I was about, but what I mentioned last time is I'm going to continue. Sorry, there's just some wind there, so I'll speak a bit louder. I'm going to continue this row down there, which will mean I'll have to dig up this rhubarb and get rid of them. Now, what I'm thinking about doing with the compost bins, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on site, I'm going to move them all down the bottom. There's actually another one over there as well, out of the way for now. And I'll probably end up doing like a pallet compost section down at the bottom. So anyway, it's a bit windy, so every time, what I've been doing is every time I come down as well, I just make sure that I get 2 rows, 2 or 3 rows dug over kind of thing, and that's going to be for the spuds. So I've put my knee pads down here. There we go, because I'm planning on just giving this a quick tidy over. And here we are. So it's very warm in here, just under 15 degrees. There's a few things I'm doing here, you know, to make it a little bit better. But I do need to get it cleaned. That will definitely help. For possibly a spring summer job, that I'm not doing that. So, onions. Looking good. Some of them are popping out a bit there. That's fine. Means they're rooting. No problems whatsoever. So they'll need a bit of a water before we go. I'm going to get a tray and get the loo rolls in, ready for the peas. So I'll just set that up. I'm going to take some of these back, some of the smaller ones. 3 for the cucumbers. And a few of these, probably about half of them anyway, half of that pile, because I set the sprouts off, and I set the sprouting, what else, cauliflower off. I didn't do many because it's just something that I wasn't even going to bother with. So my battery and the camera actually ran out at this point, but not only that, the wind picked up quite a bit, so I was forced to go home, and then I returned the next day with my son Harry. Harry, we thought we'd come down to the allotment.
Yeah, I did saw that woman.
Was it your idea, was it?
Yeah, it was my idea.
What's your job you need to do?
Dig up.
Dig up, is it? Okay. Hey, this is the first time Harry has seen the allotment since we've had the other half, isn't it? So, guess what you can do now, son? You can run through there. Yeah. Go on. Come on. Right, what do you think? Good. Good? No more muddy feet? Hey, what do you think?
Good.
No, good, eh?
No more muddy feet.
So Harry's happy. He's got his little wheelbarrow, haven't you, son, and your little trowel. Are you doing this bit, are you? Go on then. Well done. So that's Harry happy. So I'm going to dig out the 2 posts that were left over by that fence in the middle there. So let's get that done. So your job, Harry, is to take them strawberry plants, right? And what we do is go all the way at the bottom here. We'll get there eventually. This is what you do, you see, just give them little jobs to take up some of the time so they're not pestering you when you try to do your jobs. Here you go, son. Right, and just line them up here, look. Put them in and put them together there. Just sit them there, like that, yeah? Can you do that for all of them?
Yeah.
That's a big job. If you do that, I've got a surprise for you. Good boy. Well, it's been quite productive today, to be honest with you. Just come down with the young'un, as you can see, because the missus wanted to get out, get some peace and quiet. So I love bringing them down anyway when it's nice weather. It's a bit windy, but no, he's at that age now where you can give him little jobs to do, not actually helpful tasks. So like I said, I told him to bring all them strawberries down. And look, he's on the last one now, and he's just put it in his wheelbarrow. Look. Is this the last one? Here he comes, look. Is this the last one, son? Well done. So have you brought all of these strawberry plants down? Clever boy. There we go. He's done all that for Daddy. So it's nice to get down. By the way, this is the metal shed inside. Yeah. So basically, I got some quick videos there, but I've managed to move the compost bins there. Harry, have you seen I've moved the compost bins there, look? And the reason why I've put them there is because really I would have put them over here against the fence right at the back. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up building up this area here with the pallets, you know, like the 3 big pallets, or like an actual proper compost area. So I'm going to end up doing that, and then what I'll do with these is either keep them there, or it'll be easier once them are built, that I won't have to move these to build that. So, and these are, to be fair, the Daleks are good for now anyway, so it might not be a couple of, it might take a few years for us to get that sorted. Like that's, I'm not worried. Compost, like the thing I'll be doing. Not prioritising first, basically. So anyway, we're doing good. Whoa, it is windy, and them compost bins did just pick up a bit there. So I'm going to try and get some stones down on them. You can see them, they're wobbling. There's nothing in them. So What else did we do? Harry, what else did we do?
I've just done my jobs.
You've done your jobs, haven't you? What else did you do? Did you do anything else?
Yeah, I put mud in the
Oh yeah, you've done the mud. Yeah, that was right.
and put the strawberry plants in the strawberry.
That was a really good help, that one, Harry. So yeah, there's another fence post as well I've noticed that's fallen off. Looking at that fence going along down there, it has actually took a massive battering by the wind and is falling apart. Yeah, perfect, all done.
That one's going to die.
No, they won't. So we didn't get the strawberry bed done, but thanks to Harry we got them strawberry plants brought down, so they're ready to get dug in and the whole thing. That's one for another video. We moved the 2 compost bins, and that was actually quite nice compost under there anyway because it's been left a while. So, and we've moved them there, you can just see. So hopefully the wind doesn't get that. Harry's just looking at where he's going to put his cucumber. That's it, Harry. That bucket there, son. That's there. I got that for you. That's to put your cucumber in, so just... Alright. And, because I forgot them last time because I was in a hurry, I'm taking some of these on. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Catch you later.